Pero okay lang, ganun talaga. Malapit na tayong matapos sa arrangement. Ganun lang kasimple yung pag-aayos ko ng arrangement pag maayos pa yung mga succulent arrangement. Usually, removing of dry leaves and then top dressing lang din ng sand or stone. So it's finally done. Let's have a final and closer look of the arrangement we have finished today. Enjoy watching! And before we end this video, I would like to share or show to you the variegated Gymnocalcium and Super Kabuto and also the Daydream that I have bought from Igorotak Garden. This time, I have finally captured a better view or mas lalong nakita yung color nila na mga variegated Gymnocalcium kasi yung last time na video na pinakita ko sa inyo, hindi ganun ka-visible yung ganda ng variegation niya. So this time parang kitang-kita ngayon dun sa camera kasi siguro malilim kasi so walang direct sunlight na tumatama sa kanila kaya na-capture nung cellphone camera ko yung magagandang variegation niya. So enjoy watching! That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my simple arrangement for today and the colorful variegated Gymnocalcium that I have shown to you. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye.